Running a business is tough, but what if your security system could actually help you manage it?
That's really the key challenge, isn't it? How do you stay in control when you can't be everywhere at once?
Most businesses run on lean teams, which means you're the one everyone turns to for, well, everything.
You're wearing a ton of different hats, right? You're not just the boss. You're HR, your operations.
And if you have more than one location, it feels like you need to be in 2, 3, 4 places at once.
So the solution is an integrated system, one that gives you way more visibility and, most importantly, control.
It all boils down to 3 key things: monitored alarms, great video, and smart access control. Let's dig in. First up, monitored alarms. Think of this as your 24/7 professional watchdog when you're not there.
Then you've got high-quality video. This lets you see exactly what's happening, no guesswork involved. And finally, smart access. This means no more lost keys. You decide who gets in and when.
Now, these are all great on their own, but the real magic? Managing it all from literally anywhere.
This puts your whole business right in your pocket. Arming, unlocking, checking video, it's all right there.
Right, the whole point is to stay informed without having to be physically at your business 24/7.
And this is huge. Your security system becomes a daily tool, not just something for emergencies.
You get quick answers to everyday questions. Did the team open on time? Was that back door left open again?
So how do you pick the right system? The one that's actually going to help you run things better.
Okay, definitely avoid the generic packages. You want a system that's built for you and can grow with you.
So here's the bottom line. Is your security system just another bill, or is it an actual business asset?